revenue officer, even a Tahsildar can be a revenue.
Tabari can be revenue officer, even the RI can.
I'm not disputing that. Revenue officer has been defined under the Land Revenue Code. Definition has been given.
Whether all this can be done. देखिए हाई कोर्ट ने कहा कि कमिश्नर अपॉइंट करो, हो गया अपॉइंट। आपने जो 26/10 आओगे, ऐसा थोड़ी है। लखरानी का केस है। अरे जैन साहब, आपका किसका केस है
जी?
बताइए क्या केस है आपका?
तो हमारा एक पिटीशन है, हमारी एप्लीकेशन हैज बीन रिजेक्टेड।
अरे आपकी फाइल तो दे दो।
Suit for declaration of permanent injunction was filed by the petitioner, and that suit was dismissed with the trial court, and the appeal filed against the judgment of the trial.
Suit was dismissed by trial court. When?
Then an appeal was filed.
When?
Suit was dismissed on 24/2/2009.
On merits it was dismissed?
Yes, merits.
You are defendant, plaintiff?
I'm plaintiff.
Then you filed appeal?
I filed an appeal. The appeal was also dismissed on 13/10/2010.
Appeal dismissed.
And then a second appeal was preferred.
That was also dismissed?
No, that was not dismissed. That was allowed.
अरे फिर क्या हुआ?
हम बता रहे हैं सर। On 25/4/2011, that is document exhibit P1.
It was allowed and your suit was decreed?
Not decreed. The suit was remanded back to the appellate court.
हाँ, अच्छी बात है, रिमांड कर दिया।
उसमें से अब वो देखना जरूरी है, what was the high court order?
बता दीजिए।
पेज 23 में देखिए, डॉक्यूमेंट P1,
पेज 23,
paragraph 10 of the judgment.
पढ़िए।
Admittedly, the suit of the plaintiff was dismissed with the trial court, although application for issuance of commission was filed before it. In the appeal, the plaintiff filed another application under Order 26 Rule 9 CPC, which was allowed, and the learned First Appellate Court appointed Naib Tahsildar as commissioner in order to ascertain the identity of the suit property and for its demarcation. The report of the commissioner is in favor of the plaintiff, but that report was not accepted on account of several objections being filed by the defendants and respondents before the learned First Appellate Court, and the report of the commissioner was rejected. Now, sir, I am pausing for a moment. Your Lordship may kindly see the report of the Tahsildar, which was given, was rejected.
Commissioner report.
Commissioner, Tahsildar. Now, what the High Court said?
आगे तो पढ़िए।
This can only be determined after appointing a commissioner, according to me. When the objection of the defendants were accepted and the report of the commissioner was set aside, learned First Appellate Court was duty bound to issue a fresh commission. The Supreme Court, in the case of such and such, has held that looking to the facts and circumstances of parties are hereby directed to issue. Now, what I am submitting is this: the report of the Tahsildar was rejected earlier, as the High Court says. Then the High Court says a revenue officer has to be appointed. Now, revenue officer
कौन होता है?
One revenue officer can be a sub-division officer, can be a revenue officer, even a Tahsildar can be a revenue.
Tabari can be revenue officer, even the RI can.
I'm not disputing that. Revenue officer has been defined under the Land Revenue Code. Definition has been given. Now, when the case was remanded back to the appellate court, there are certain documents were filed under Order 41, Rule 27 CPC.
Who?
Defendants filed certain documents. The case was again, order was passed, and the case was sent back to the trial court by the appellate court to take.
The High Court remanded back to the appellate court.
Appellate court documents were filed.
The appellate court further exercised his jurisdiction and again allowed the appeal.
No, appellate court remanded back the case to the trial court to take evidence on those documents and reach a finding. That was there.
only on those documents or wholesale remand?
Wholesale remand was there.
Yeah.
Now against
It means appeal, your appeal was again allowed by the, after allowing this appeal by a second appellate court,
yes,
your first appeal was also allowed on the documents filed by the defendants.
fine, because naturally there was a
And
remand
it was remanded back to the trial.
trial court. Now against that remand order, we again came to the High Court.
हाँ,
And we filed a miscellaneous appeal before the High Court against the remand order. The High Court again said, set aside the order of the appellate court remanding the
order set aside.
set aside. And High Court directed, second time when the matter came before the High Court directed that the earlier of the High Court, which says that the commissioner, revenue officer should be appointed as commissioner, that should be followed. Now the case was sent back to the appellate court again. The appellate court then, Executive P4, directed the sub-division officer. Now this is what I'm emphasizing. Here,
कहाँ लिखा है?
Executive P4, page 36.
हाँ, हाँ, हाँ,
Now, National Agency, it is to the Vadula Adhikari.
P4 में क्या किया है?
Sir, appellate court ने SDO को direct करा to have the submit the demarcation report. And the second document is also that party should be present at demarcation process.
हाँ,
That is P5.
हाँ,
Now, sub-division officer, instead of doing the demarcation himself, he again appointed a Tahsildar.
हाँ,
Now, we had a dispute with this Tahsildar who was appointed with the sub-division officer. Now, the Tahsildar submitted his report because the sub-division officer delegated his power to the Tahsildar. This Tahsildar submitted an adverse report against us. So, when this adverse report came,
हाँ,
and I'm not disputing what happened in spite of this. When the appellate court appointed sub-division officer and the report was submitted with the Tahsildar against me, the Tahsildar and sub-division officer were examined in the court before the appellate court. Thereafter, we moved an application that this report of the Tahsildar cannot be accepted, now even if they have been examined before the court, because what the High Court directed was the revenue officer and the sub-division officer was appointed with the appellate court, therefore the report has to be ignored. That application has been dismissed with the trial court against which I am here.
after execution of that warrant,
Yes.
which was issued by the first appellate court directing the SDO
Yes.
to demarcate the property, SDO further delegated its power to Tahsildar and Tahsildar went on spot. Tahsildar conducted the demarcation and
Yes.
Tahsildar filed the report and then you cross-examined.
Then I'm not disputing that.
So whether after all this you can
I'm saying that this is
whether this such type of objection can be raised before final hearing of the appeal, whether in the middle this all
final hearing has
met,
हाँ,
whether all this can be done.
हाई
देखिए हाई कोर्ट ने कहा कि कमिश्नर अपॉइंट करो, हो गया अपॉइंट। अब आपने जो 26/10/1-2-3 में जो व्यवस्था है उसके तहत क्रॉस एग्जामिन कर दिया। क्रॉस एग्जामिनेशन करने के बाद that report is a piece of evidence and what is the validity of that report, what is the validity of your cross examination, that will be considered at the time of final hearing. आप फाइनल हियरिंग के समय कह सकते हो साहब ये काम इसने गलत किया, ऐसा करो, लेकिन आपकी आपत्तियां बीच में थोड़ी कंसिडर।
हम ये नहीं कह रहे हैं, हम ये कह रहे हैं जो भी रिपोर्ट तहसीलदार ने सबमिट करी है दैट हैज टू बी इग्नोर्ड इवन इफ इट हैज बीन एग्जामिन्ड।
ये आप बहस करिएगा फाइनल आर्गुमेंट में,
फाइनल आर्गुमेंट करेंगे फिर वही क्वेश्चन हाई कोर्ट में आएगा,
यही चलता रहेगा, क्या बुराई है?
नहीं
लेकिन आपको राइट आपका है वो बता रहे। सामन दास का जो 2004 का जजमेंट है उसमें ये लिखा है जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ
ये
कि ये स्टेज ये होते ना बीच में, जैसे कि आज रिपोर्ट आई आपने क्रॉस कर लिया फिर आपने एक आपत्ति लगा दी इसको इग्नोर करो, दिस ऑल इज नॉट परमिसिबल। आपको राइट ये है कमिश्नर अपॉइंट होगा, यू कैन क्रॉस एग्जामिन दी कमिश्नर, देन योर एक्सरसाइज इज
वो कमिश्नर तो एसडीओ तो तभी ना क्रॉस एग्जामिन करते हैं,
कोई बात नहीं,
वही तो है,
नथिंग इज देयर,
नथिंग इज देयर।
नथिंग डूइंग। नेक्स्ट देखिए, दिस